Hello Year 12s. So I thought I would go through question 18 of the Edrolo exercise homework, and the reason why I'm going through it is because it's a particularly tricky question. In fact, if you watch the video solution provided by Edrolo, if you watch it to the very end, the person who makes that video just kind of gives up. And I'm not judging them at all. This is a tricky question. So I just thought I would try to give it a crack myself, and hopefully you find it helpful. All right, let's read it. It says, the Spice Girls are getting back together. Oh my God, they're getting back together and are planning their comeback concert. There are several activities that must be completed before the concert. The activities and their duration in days are shown in the activity network below. So here it is. However, some of the activities are tailored to specific people, and then they give us this list of restrictions, and this is what makes this question so tricky, these restrictions right here. But before we consider the restrictions, let's just figure out what our critical path is going to be, and I'm going to be using the alternative method. So remember, you start with 0 here, and now you forward scan with a green. So this will be 4 plus 5 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, then this will be 5 plus 3 is 8. Whenever you got two numbers, you pick the bigger one, so it will be 10 there. We'll keep on going. This will be 2. 2 plus 10 is 12. This will be 10 plus 1 is 11. 12 is my bigger number. 12 plus 6 is 18. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. I get 18 on both of these, which is interesting. It also means that because I've got 18 there, 18 is my earliest completion time. We're now going to do our backward scanning in a red. So remember, we start with this 18 here. 18 minus 6 is going to be 12. 18 minus 5 is going to be 13. 13 minus 3 is going to be 10. 12 minus 1 is going to be 11. Remember, when you've got two numbers meeting at a vertex when you're backward scanning, you this time want to circle the smaller number. So this is going to be our latest start time. So now I'm going to go 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here I've got 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. This would end up being 7 minus 5 is 2. And this would be 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, now we can identify our critical paths here, and there's actually going to be 2, which is interesting. Because remember, when you're identifying your critical path, you want to get the same number in and out. So see how we've got 0, 0. So that means it's going to be 0, 4, 4. 10, 10, 13, 13, then to 18, 18. And then I'll grab another color. We'll go 0, 0. So 0, 0, 2, 2, 12, 12, and then all the way to there. Okay, so that's the first part of the question, identifying your critical paths, and we have done that. The next thing you want to do now is you want to consider the restrictions that you've been given.